So over here you can see that I got two layers right here, and now these layers are separate. So if I were to go around and click and drag this and click and drag this, you can see that they are separate. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and make it seem as if they are merged together, but I still want the layers to be separate. In that case, what I can do is I can go around and create out a folder that is a group. So to do that, you can go around and click on the create a new layer group and add it to the image right here, and you can see that a layer group actually pops up. So what I can do right here is I can drag these layers over here inside of the group, and now you can see that I have this group right here which I can go around and minimize right here. So now if I were to go around, you can see that now it acts as if the layer is merged right here. But if I were to press the play button, I can still go around and utilize the individual, that is, I can change around the individual layers right here. Then I can select the layer group again and move it out according to how you want, as you can see right here, as if they are grouped together. You can also go around and bring this outside right here, as you can see, and bring it in according to how you want. You can also access and create a new layer group by going into the layer menu and by clicking on new layer group from over here as well. So there's this layer group. You can go around and bring it out and then maintain multiple layer groups right here and keep groups inside of groups just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with layer groups inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.